Since humans first looked up at the stars, our misunderstandings of the universe have always been far more than the truth. Today, from our deep space spacecraft POV, we will break down the 6 most misunderstood cosmic truths that completely change your view of space. Many people think Jupiter is a rocky planet. In fact, it has no solid ground at all. It is a pure gas giant. From the outer hydrogen atmosphere to the deep liquid metallic hydrogen layer, the entire planet is fluid. Humans can never stand on Jupiter. The North Star, which we once thought was fixed forever, is only temporarily located at the North Celestial Pole. The Earth's axis wobbles slowly in a 26,000 years cycle. As the axis shifts, other stars will take its place as the new North Star. Most people fear black holes for swallowing everything, but a real black hole is not a cosmic vacuum cleaner. A black hole is extreme spacetime curvature. Distant objects orbit normally. Only matter crossing the event horizon will disappear forever. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is not the hottest. The real hottest planet is Venus. Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat. Venus's thick coat to atmosphere creates an extreme greenhouse effect, raising its temperature far higher. Sunset on Earth is warm red, but the sunset on Mars is stunning blue, completely different from our common sense. The beautiful Orion Nebula looks like cosmic clouds, but it is actually a real stellar nursery of the universe. After learning these 6 cosmic truths, you will find that human common sense is often limited in the face of the vast universe. The real shock of the universe is always hidden behind the truth. Subscribe to explore more real deep space mysteries with us.